So today on Project Shop, we're going to be fixing a diesel leak on my 99 F350. And what it is there is a water drain valve or fuel drain valve on the back of the fuel bowl for the water separator. And they're notorious for leaking when it gets cold. It's been getting down in the 50s and even the high 40s down here in South Florida. So this thing's been leaking like a sieve. So I went right over to the dealer and got the kit. It was only $43 and pretty much comes with a whole new thing. So there are the seals. You probably could just get the seals. But for 43 bucks, we'll just replace the whole thing. And doesn't look too bad. It's a number 20 Torx, and it's pretty simple to get to. I don't think we're gonna have to remove anything out of the way to get to that, and should only take a couple minutes. I'll start the engine up real quick. It's cold, and show you where it's leaking and how bad the leak is. Definitely not good for your fuel mileage. We'll go ahead and shut that down before everything gets hot. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is open the valve, drain all the fuel out of the bowl, and then we'll remove the line right here. This should just slide right off. I'm gonna get a screwdriver on that. Kind of get that out of the way. And then there's just 4 number 20 Torx screws, and this thing should come right out. Okay. Okay, here you go. That's the old one. As you can see, those seals are pretty much flat, not protruding past. These ones here are in much better condition. So you could probably just pull those seals out. Let's see. There you go. Yeah, these seals are pretty hard. Probably just replace those for a couple dollars if you didn't want to spend the 40 bucks. You know, and I don't know if there's any more seals in here. Let's see if this thing comes out of here. Yep, there we go. So it looks like there's one more seal there. Let's go ahead and push that all the way out. Oh, man. All these different pieces. And I guess that's it. I don't see any more seals. So that's kind of stupid. Why do they make it like that? But if you can just get these seals, I'm not sure if it was leaking from this top one, this top seal here, or the bottom one, but it's probably leaking from all of them. So it's weird that that's 3 pieces. Now this thing here, still in good condition, so I'm actually going to keep this. Maybe I can get a seal kit, just the seals, and I'll keep one in stock just in case my other truck has the same issue. I'm pretty sure I already changed it on my other truck though, so it's pretty interesting. You can see where it's been in there. This is all original, over 200,000 miles. So I guess maybe that only goes in one way. There we go. I guess that can only go one way. Okay. You can kind of see where that thing goes. What I'm going to do is just kind of wipe that off and blow it off with some cleaner, and then assemble the new one, and we should be good to go. Okay, so we got the new kit. I did disconnect this wire just to make it a little easier getting this in, and make sure that you have the valve in the right position. Just kind of sneak that up in there. Pretty much gonna go one way and get your screw started in there. I got big hands, so it's kind of tight. I'm trying to get the further screw started. Probably should have started with a higher one. I think we got it. Always start these things, anything with a thread, start them by hand. Make sure you're not cross threading them into that high pressure oil pump. I've already replaced one on my other truck at the cost of about $800. You don't want to be getting into that. Okay, there you have it. Other than me dropping the wrench down in there and that diesel fuel and it getting slick and falling a couple times, it was actually quite simple, and it literally took maybe 2 or 3 minutes to get off and like 2 or 3 minutes to get back on. So it's not a big deal. Pretty much anybody can do it. Let me go ahead and plug this thing back in. Really didn't need to take this off. It just made it a little easier. And there you have it. So, oh, the other thing we got to do is put the tube back on. Okay, hold on. That's gonna be a two-hander. And I'm getting all diesel fueled up again. There you go. All right. Now let's start this thing up and see if we have any leaks. Nothing so far. Looking good. So I don't know if you can hear, the engine's kind of running rough. For whatever reason, this thing's down. It seems like it's down an injector until it warms up. So that's another issue we'll have to work on, but that'll be for next video. If you come this far, thanks for watching. I'll tell you where we're going, right to the scrap yard. Watch it. Look, it's dancing. You ever seen your copper dance before?